generally we are developing this website. Go check it out. It's a CPR simulation. You can enter cardiac arrest and then start the pumping. So right there, oxygenation to the brain. So that's the brain. That's the heart. Arteries and veins. So we're doing a CPR to try and revive the patient. So the depth is good. Is that excellent as well, or just good? Don't remember. There's no oxygen going to the brain. What happens if I stop? Yeah, if you do it too quickly, it says too shallow. When we pumping, we should also have the blood simulation going. So when it's too shallow, it should not be reaching the brain or something. When it's good, when it's deep enough, the pumping of the heart, the CPR, pump, 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 too shallow. CPR recoil. Why is the oxygenation just keeps going down? Does anyone knows? So we're doing a good pumping of the heart, but no, I think we lost the patient. I think we lost the patient. That's not fun. Interestingly, the LLMs are getting the heartbeat sounds really well. Oh, hopefully it doesn't sound like a train or something. What is this project you are working on? So we are working on BioniChaos.com. So everything we do is available on this website. It's being deployed on this site, so go check it out and provide your feedback. Generally, you're not allowed to ask any questions unless you actually visited the website. Agent. You can ask an agent. You can always ask an agent. Don't ask me, ask an agent. Yeah, I suspect we'll need a better model to fix this too. We need a better model. PPG. We have them in production. We have 2 versions. PPG SNR, PPG SNR 2. It's results from the same paper. I'll run them locally as well, and we go for a more advanced model. See what we can fix. Oh, and the gait simulator as well. Gait simulator. Gait. Yeah, it's a 3rd version. Doesn't fit the screen. It's not starting playing when we start the page. Why is it so bad? Focusing on the actual simulation, the actual canvas and the controls and what the simulation does and meant to do. Can you indicate any major issues in the code and how that can be improved? We're essentially gearing towards regenerating the whole code from scratch if that's what you think is the best thing to do.
Here are the major issues and a proposal for improving the code, leaning towards a rewrite for better structure and maintainability. Major issues in the current code. Monolithic structure. The entire application, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, is in a single file. This makes it difficult to navigate, maintain, and scale. 2. Global scope pollution. Most variables and functions, state, PPG, canvas, calculate signal quality, draw UI, etc., are declared in the global scope. This is a significant issue as it can lead to naming conflicts and makes the code harder to reason about. 3. Lack of modularity. The JavaScript code mixes different concerns. UI manipulation, state management, simulation logic, and rendering are all intertwined within the same script block, leading to tight coupling. 4. Direct DOM manipulation. The code repeatedly queries the DOM with document.getElementById. This is inefficient and scatters UI-related code throughout the logic. 5. Hard-coded values. Many magic numbers are used directly in the drawing and simulation logic, making the code less readable and harder to configure. Recommendation: regenerate with a modern structure. A complete rewrite is the best path forward. The current implementation is functional for a small demo, but a more robust, object-oriented structure will make it significantly easier to manage and extend with the future directions you've outlined. I can regenerate the code using a modern JavaScript class-based approach, which will resolve the issues above. Here is a proposed structure. PPG app, main class, orchestrates the entire application. It will initialize all other components and manage the main animation loop. UI Manager handles all interactions with the DOM, such as attaching event listeners to buttons and updating their visual state. Simulation manages the core application state, posture, arm height, and the PPG waveform data. It will contain the logic from calculate signal quality. Renderer encapsulates all HTML5 canvas drawing logic, draw figure, draw PPG, draw UI. Audio Manager manages the web audio API for sound feedback. This approach will provide separation of concerns. Each class has a single, clear responsibility. Encapsulation, state and logic are contained within classes, avoiding global scope pollution. Maintainability, the code will be cleaner, more organized, and easier to debug and extend. Would you like me to proceed with regenerating the code based on this improved structure?
Would the animation, the signal be more accurate? The animation, the stick figure will be improved, and the demo mode will still be working? Can you confirm in the new code?
Sure. Here's a proposed directory structure for a PPG Signal Quest v2 app. Create workspace.
Shall we go for a single HTML file? The answer is yes.
Sure. Here's a proposed directory structure for a single-page HTML project. Create workspace.
Problem I asked for a single HTML. It's still splitting it into files, but that's I realized because it's taking data from Copilot instructions MD. It keeps adding it. I think we need to get rid of that instructions file. It won't actually generate the code. It's really annoying me. Okay, we'll have to keep going next time. Everything is available on BioniChaos.com. Go check the website and provide your feedback, and I'll see you next time. Bye.